Hi guys, hi. Keisha here, and I am back. To do an intense facial treatment today. I really need it. I have been breaking out, been stressing, my skin. I don't know, there's been a lot of changes in my skin lately. But anyhow, I'm here to help fix that. So I am using some new but not so new products today. Some of them are products that I've been using for a while but have not shown you guys it. And then there are products or tools that I have recently started using as well. But anywho, let's just go forward. Look at this here. So this is the Foreo UFO 2. And this little handy gadget here, don't mind, I have no nails on this hand. This little gadget here is to give you a really nice facial treatment mask, and it's equivalent to having it professionally done. So I do have here a couple of new masks. So and I will show you how we're going to use that. So I have the H2O Overdose, which is an ultra hydrating. I have the Manuka Honey, which is revitalizing. I have Glow Addict, which is to enhance your glow. And I have Coconut Oil, which is the nourishing, right? The benefits, so it depends on what I'm looking at and looking for. I am, however, looking to clarify, to purify, and to definitely nourish, definitely hydrate. So I'm basically looking for everything in this skincare. But I'll see later on which one of these I'm going to use. So let's get started. I love to double cleanse. I never skip a double cleanse. I don't ever do like a one cleanse. So I am double cleansing today. The first product I'm going to use is my Hardie Moringa Light Cleansing Gel. I use this quite a lot. It is almost empty. It's a lightweight daily cleanser for all skin types. It purifies and it helps to balance oily skin. It hydrates and it moisturizes. I do not generally have oily skin. However, everything else about this product is really good and it works quite well for me. So the products I'm using today is products that I know that works well for me, and I'm demonstrating this to you guys. It's not that you have to use all these products, but you have to choose what is best for your skin type and also what you look for in your skincare. So I have put 3 pumps of this, and I love the smell of this, and I love that it's like an oil, right? Because that means it just really glides easily on my skin. I kind of use it to massage, so I kind of like massage. My first cleansing when I use this oil is like, I give my skin a really good massage. Now it activates with water, so what I like to do, I like to just do a bit of effleurage and petrissage movements, and kind of work any oil, any debris and any impurities out of the skin. And then I add water. I just love the feel of this. So I will now emulsify with water and use my cleansing, my rag or my cleansing cloth to remove everything. So I am removing in an upwards motion, not to drag the skin. Another thing that I tend to do regularly is use cold water to cleanse. I mean, we're in spring now. It's not too cold. I know in winter time it could be a little bit of a pain, but we are in spring and I feel like the cold water is really good when it comes to cleansing. Okay, so now I am moving on to my second cleanse. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Clarifying Cleanser. So it's called the Clarity Cleanser. It has salicylic acid and probiotics, right? I always get mixed up how to say that word, but anyhow, it's a clarifying cleanser, right? It helps to clear the complexion and it hydrates while gently and effectively purifying pores, visibly minimizing breakouts. The lactic and glycolic acid helps refresh and exfoliate while probiotic balance and preserves the skin. Anywho's, this is like halfway because I use this quite a lot. As I said, I have been, or if I didn't say it, I have been breaking out. This is the amount that I'm using. I have been breaking out, you know, and so I recently started using this particular one, the Clarity Cleanser. I use different range in the Pixi. I love Pixi just as much as I love the Emma Hardie products. But yeah, I've been using this and I feel that it has been working. I have seen a difference in my skin, and I've actually also been using the whole range. So I would use the toner, I would use the serum, I would use the moisturizer as well. So this is the time where I would exfoliate, but I did some hair removal on my face yesterday, so I'm not doing any exfoliation today because it will be a bit too harsh for my skin at the moment. So I'm going to move straight on to toning. So this is the Clarity Tonic in conjunction with the cleanser that I just used. And I'm doing the toning first before I'm going to use the mask, because with the mask, it's not something that you remove it. You're not going to wash it off afterwards. So it makes sense to do my tonic first and then proceed to the mask. Here on my phone, okay, and I'm going to choose my device. Choose my device, right? And then I'm going to go to treatments. So I'm going to press treatments, press connect for the Bluetooth connect. So you can see the light came on. So neat, okay? So because the light is on, yes, it's connecting. So I'm waiting for that to connect, right? And then treatments will come up. So at the bottom, and if I slide across, I can find all the different treatments, right? So today I am going to use the Glow Addict, right? Which is the glow enhancer. I have it here in my hands. Okay, so the Glow Addict, it's enhanced brightening pearl infused mask. Slide it out so it comes like this. It's a little disc, and you put your disc on here nicely. If you guys could see, so I'm opening my disc. It's a bit fidgety, just a little bit, right? So it's supposed to be looking like that, okay? And then we're going to secure the mask by putting the ring back on and securing it in. So that's what it looks like. Let's start, right? And because I've already selected my mask, right? So it's doing what it's doing there. And then I'm going to click start. And the treat, look at that, it's lighting up.
While a soothing warmth preps the skin to receive the full benefits of this brightening complex, green LED immediately begins helping to even your skin tone. Experience a relaxing facial massage as 2 sonic pulsations combine with a gentle warmth to infuse brightening pearl extract into your skin for a luminous complexion.
So it has warmed up now. And it's also vibrating.
LED continues to perfect your skin. T-sonic pulsations leave you with a healthy, radiant glow.
Now it's cooling down.
Take a few more seconds to relax.
And now we're coming to the end of the treatment. That was basically how the Foreo works, and obviously depending on what mask you use, it depends on the benefits that you will get. Okay, so, and this is why I used my tonic, my toner, prior to this, because this serum now is meant to just sit and dry into my face. I can, you know, tap it in a bit, massage it in, and then when this dries, I will move on to the next steps of my facial. This tool here, it's of no particular brand, but there are different brands out there. I have been using this tool about 4 times per week, every single night before bed, when I finish my nighttime routine, and I can really tell the difference with this tool. Now, there is a specific way for you to use it. I have not mastered that routine just yet, but I'm still going to show you what I've been doing, and it's been working. So to use this tool, I like to have a bit of an oil on my skin, or some sort of oil base or serum. I always do it when I'm putting my serum on. So I'm going to use my Biossance vitamin C rose oil. Gonna put a few drops of that on my skin, massage that in. Okay, and now I'm going to use the tool. So I like to start on my cheekbone. So this little curve here, we're going to work upwards like this. So you can hold and just let it work with the shape. It's basically following the bone structure of your face. So this part here, we hold. And when you reach up here, you kind of stop a bit, add a little pressure. And you want to do that motion about 3 to 4 times on the area. Now that I've done that, I'm moving to my last 2 steps. So I am going to use another moisturizer on my face, and I have my Hardie little lip balm here. I'm gonna put some of that on. Okay, and that brings me to the end of this facial. Thank you guys for tuning into this skincare routine of mine. This is what I would call a luxurious skincare routine. I will be sure to list all the products and tools that I use below. So if you guys want to check it out, if you want to add any of these, tools or products into your routine and try them out, then it will be there, all there for you guys. So again, thank you.